Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Slow Cooker Challenge, co-hosted by Mrs. V and Kenya's Decor Corner. In this challenge, you can use your crock pot, rice cooker, Instant Pot, pressure cooker, anything that you can cook that would just make your life easier. So today I am going to be using my crock pot, and I'm going to be cooking leg quarters with carrots and potatoes. So let me get started, and before I do, I want to mention that I'm leaving Mrs. V and Kenya's Decor Corner's link to their channels in the description box below, and also a recipe for what I'm cooking. So now let me get started. I've already got the chicken ready by taking off all the skin, cutting as much fat off as I could. I've cut up the carrots and the potatoes and the onions. And the first thing I'm going to do is get the onions and line the bottom of it with onion. That it will help with the taste, but the main thing is that it keeps the meat from getting stuck at the bottom. So line that good. Alrighty. Then just start placing the chicken in. Next, we'll put in the potatoes and carrots. And as you'll be able to see, this is a very, very easy recipe. I do have a little more onion that I am going to spread at the top just to give it some more flavor. Leave that one off. Then I'm going to put in some parsley flakes. Now, where we live, everything that you cook, you use Tony Chachere's. That's just what everyone uses around here, so it wouldn't be cooking without the Tonys. So I'm going to add a little Tonys. Now, the very last thing is you get a can of cream of chicken soup, and in that I've added about a half a can of water. You don't want it to be real soupy, but you don't want it to be so thick. That's why you have to add a little bit of water to it, and then you just pour this over it. And now it is ready to be put on the crock pot. Lid on. Clamp it down. Now I've turned the crock pot on. I've set it for 6 hours on low. Now I'm about to go and get ready to go to work, but Mike will be here today so he can monitor it to make sure that it's not overcooking, undercooking, or whatever. But so when I get in, my meal will be cooked. I will see you then. Okay, I've been back from work for about 25 minutes. Now we're about to sit down and have us a delicious meal. We've taken everything from the crock pot, put it in a separate dish. We have rice and cornbread. Now Mike had already started the rice and cornbread before I made it in. So everything is ready. We have our plates ready for a very delicious meal. I am going to say that we did overcook the chicken just a little bit. It's starting to fall off the bone, but it tastes really good. So I want to thank Mrs. V and Kenya's Decor Corner for making this an open challenge. I've thoroughly enjoyed. I'm getting a great meal out of it. And I hope everyone has enjoyed watching. Until we meet again, I will hope everyone has a great weekend. Bye-bye.